In this video, let's look at how Python for loops work. Let's say you have a list of numbers that goes between 0 and 100, and then you want to create a list 2 that holds all the numbers from list 1 that are divisible by 5. So the way we can do this by using for loop is as follows. Use the for keyword and then you say number. This is the variable, and then you use the sequence, which is the list in this case, and then you put a colon, and then in the next line you tell what you want to do. So in this case we want to check if the number from this list is divisible by 5, and if it is, then we add it to list 2. And adding can be done by using the append function. So here first we use the if statement to check if the number is divisible by 5. So if number percentage 5 is equal to 0, if so, then we add the number to the list by using the append function. And now if we print list 2, we can see it holds all the numbers that are divisible by 5. So instead of writing lines of codes, we can just do this in like 3 lines of code. So this is how Python for loop works.